So today we discuss about the Twitter ads. Now I'm open for the twitter.com. Here there are the two ways we can open your Twitter ads. One is called we open like this. Twitter ads is the first one. See this ads.twitter.com/accounts, something like that. Now is right go to the payment method. Right go to the payment method. Why? Because when adding the payment, you have started your ads, but without adding amount also you can create your ads also. Now clear. What that? Edit access to account. Now here click for view ad manager. Now please write down URL ads.twitter.com/ads_manager. Now look here. This is your complete dashboard. See here is expired, draft, deleted. So all existing ad will be running here. So clear? Now if you're creating ad, so please write down types. First one, awareness. Second one, followers. Third one, promoted video. Fourth one, website clicks or conversion. Fifth one, tweet engagement. Sixth one, watch more. Look here. When you click the watch more, see what options are there. Website, clicks or conversion, followers, awareness, tweet engagement, promote video views, and app install and re-engagement. Re-engagement is nothing but remarketing. Nothing but remarketing. We engage by the multiple times. Now this is the option. What the first one? Website clicks and conversion. They come into my website through Facebook ads. We are creating ad into your post on your Twitter wall. When anybody click into your website, they go into your website. If it's okay, they come into your conversion. They are maybe call, or they may mail, and they will maybe send by email also. Three options: mail or call. They contact by your contact through contact form, but they will convert by your mail also. Two ways. One is on mail. Second one is the call. But approach is called conversion. Second one, how to increase my Twitter followers. Now when you open the Twitter, is my tweet following 94. How many followers? 63. How to increase my followers? The using campaign of followers. Awareness. How to reach my post multiple people. Suppose I post, I can conduct one event. How to reach the more than 1,000 people or 10,000 people. How to reach? That will be doing by the awareness. Next one, Twitter engagement. Tweet engagement. Now, simple one I show here. Tweet engagement, nothing but your keyword will be going on trending. Going on trending. Two ways. One is called retweet. Second one is the likes. One is called retweet. Second one is the likes. Now come to here. So just come here. As our trend. Sankranti. Soraku. Kalidas the film. So many will be getting for trending. Why? See how many number retweet from here? 4,939 tweets. Now, Sankranti. It's clear? Simple one. I can copy this one. Happy Sankranti. I'm going to tweet. Now, come to here. I'm searching for Sankranti keyword. My profile also going to trending. Why? I'm selecting the trending keyword. Same like that, my tweet, how to go with the trending. That is called, we can do by the tweet engagement. How will be going on the retweets and how many member like my tweet post? That is called they're doing the remarketing. Somebody coming to my website is not purchasing anything. They had showing the multiple times showing the my accounts where do Twitter sponsor ads. Now look here something. Sangrad here, latest people. See this. Who doing this? My profile going to trending. Why? I'm taking my trending keyword. Your profile will going to trending. You are set by trending keyword. But I have trending my keyword. How to trending? That is called tweet engagement. You can use him by your paid ads. Now, here, this is a one way. When uploading video on Twitter, how to promote my video, increase the views. Suppose I'm uploading one video. How to increase my video views using with the Twitter ads. Last one. I can create one app. How to promote my app using with the Twitter account. And what's that? Remarketing. My app showing to the multiple peoples. Suppose they come into my app, Play Store, App Store. They not install. You can show ad into the multiple times. When open the Twitter, automatically my ad will be pop up on the Twitter wall like this. Look here. This all will be in showing that. So in this one, they're showing one sponsor like this. It's clear? So how many types are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But first of all, they showing will be like this. So what is that? Awareness, followers, promote video and views, website clicks a conversion, tweet engagement. What is the last one? App install and remarketing. Anything change? You click the watch more, they go into another option. That is called app install and re-engagement. Total how many options are there for paid marketing? 6. First of all, brand awareness for post. Everything based on your Twitter post only, nothing else. Again, we can promote by the multiple tweet post also. Again, we promote by the multiple tweet post also. We can using by these options. Now we can check by one. We'll clear by the next video. So before next video, I can explain for this one. When open the Twitter ads, is accepting only for credit or debit card only, not for net banking, nothing else. They support only for debit or credit card only. They're not supporting payment, PayPal, Paytm, and net banking. They support only for credit or debit card. See this. They need clearly information for your address, bank detail, everything will be properly. We can confirm it. Without phone number, without proper thing, without email address, they can't capture your ads. Everything is clear, understand by your based on the card information. Suppose you give the one digit, they not accepted. So clear. They are asking you the particular each and every details, your card expiry detail, everything they accept. Mastercard apply by the debit card, remaining card will apply by the credit cards. It's clear. This is where we can add your payment. So they not support Paytm or PayPal or net banking. They support only for credit or debit card. Debit card only for masters. Master that is called Master card. It's clear. This is where to create your Twitter ads.